Hello everybody, today we're going to try and change this part of the dashboard. Why? Because this part here doesn't close anymore, so whatever we do, the air keeps coming. We are not using it very often indeed, but when it's very hot in the summer, it's like 40 degrees outside, you need air conditioning to come from all of the holes. But at some point it's getting way too cold and my feet and my hands, everything, it's going to freeze and I don't like it. So we bought a new one, this one, a replacement piece. This came from another Sharan, of course, or Alhambra, I don't know exactly, but it's exactly the same. We bought it online from eBay in Lithuania. And yeah, I hope it's going to fit perfectly with no issues. And now I'm going to show you the problem that we have. I don't know exactly how to do it, but with a napkin. So if we're going to give a little bit of it, you see now that it's blowing air. So yeah, okay. So if I'm going to close this one, you see absolutely no change. The air, it's coming powerful and I cannot stop it. So open air, closed air. Indeed, I thought about it and it might be that it's just a piece of plastic over there which is broken. But yeah, if it's like that, we will have a spare part for it. Otherwise we have a brand new one. So now let's see what we need to do to change it. So first of all, we need to come up here. Okay, so you need to open this one as I showed you, and afterwards you have two screws here on the left and on the right. So now we have the correct bit, or how it's called, it's a T15. And now normally we should be able to open all this box to take it out. Okay, so it's like this. Now you have the box like this. So let me show you here inside, because there are actually only two screws, is this one and the other one, and afterwards, at least on this side for my car, there are no other screws. This is the head unit. We leave it in peace, and now normally we should be able to just press it out and pull it out and yeah, obtain the things that we want.
After 35 minutes of trying to get it out without touching any other panels, here comes another day.
Okay, so to take this out, we're going to use a bunch of tools, plastic ones, bought online, and hopefully they will do the job. So first of all, we need to take this bracket down, or this plastic cover piece, and afterwards we will have two screws over here, and we'll take this trim a little bit out, or all of it, we'll see, and then we're going to be able to take this out. First of all, we have these two screws here, but it's not first of all, it's just in between, and I don't know even if they are mandatory or not, we will see. So you have this T15, so Torx T15 screws that you need to undo, and they take this whole bucket out, but we will see about this. So for now, just leave it as is. Let's hope that it's not useful. So we need to take this down, and from what the manual is saying, just take it slowly from the sides. I hope I will not break it. It's the first time for me using this kind of tools. And yeah, let's see. We have a few brackets along the way. Let's see if we can do it. These ones are quite soft. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. One click and this is going to break. Nope, these are too soft. No, this is way too soft, so whatever I do, it's just bending and nothing else, you see, just bending. So yeah, probably you will need to buy some proper tools for this. I mean, they are not expensive, but okay. Oof. So it seems that it's successful, the first part. So you take it step by step, slowly. So as you can see, we have a bracket here. We have something probably to catch on when you put this inside. So that means that here it should be one like that. So you see, okay. So this is going to be good, because now you know exactly where to put your tools. So in the left side and on the right side of the hazard lights button. Yeah, if you press it a little bit, then you'll find this hole. Yeah, but it's like something. Okay, that's nice. You see, we have a clip here, but on top of it we have some material, probably for the sound insulation. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's try here. Okay, now it's working. Nope, we have here also, we have here a place to oh, you see? Okie dokie. So now we know. So you have it on the left side and on the right side of the hazard button, and you have it under the AC button and under the heating, right? So maximum heat and back window heat, rear window heat. So now you can see it. You have here one, you have on the left side, on the right side, and you have up here. So you just have to put your tool here and then it will come out. Perfect. So one, it's out, nothing is broken. Perfect. Now some say that you need to unscrew all four of these, and I thought that you can do it by only removing these ones. Up, somebody was here before us, because we have this screw but we don't have this one. Okay, so what I was trying to do is use a magnet like this, and when we unscrew that one, just pick it up with a magnet, but yeah, it's way too deep. That means that we are going to use the electrical screwdriver to take them out, and then we can reach this one. And why is this one important? Because this one is actually keeping this trim. I don't know why, because it's full of clips, but whatever. So let's do this four and then this one, and we will see afterwards. Okay, so this is a T15. It's a little bit rusty, but it's good. So let's see. Still I'm afraid not to lose it, so let's try and pick it up correctly. Like this. And all four of them are out. And let's take this out slowly, because we have cables over there. So okay, we're out. Don't pull it very hardly, because it doesn't seem that he wants to go out a lot. But yeah, this I think it's enough. So let's now try and take this out. I mean, not try, really take it out and not lose it. Please don't fall, please. Okay, so this is out. It's absolutely identical with the others, so you cannot mix them up. So after this, as I said, we need to take out this trim, and also I will search for that screw. Hopefully it's here inside somewhere. So this one is going to be out easily. So I unclipped it over there. Okay, oh, it's starting. And yeah, okay. Okay, so this is out. So now we're going to be able to pull this this piece of trim out. And why is that? You'll see in a minute, because normally you should be able just to put the the tool here and take it out, but as you can see, it has a lip here, you see, and this one is down and the trim comes over the lip, and this one doesn't have those holes, right? So however you put your tool here, it's not going to press it out, and even if you could somehow catch it on the left side, it's still going to be caught on the other side by this piece of trim. So yeah, why it's like this, I don't know. Should be like this, nobody knows. Yeah, we have a cable here. Oh, so don't pull too hard. Could we take it out? Yes, but not today. We'll not do it today because that's enough. So in theory, at least, we can okay. So I think it's enough. I don't want to break it. So now we're going to come here and let's see, can we tell her to come out or not? So these ones are not good. Let's try and pull it exactly from where the clip is. Let us see on this one. So you can see on the right side of the CD player and on the left side of the CD player, we have these spaces from where we can pull correctly, and on the right side and on the left side also. So let's see. So here it should be that one. Seems that today it's not a good day for something like this. If we take it from the lower side, okay. Oh my god, it was kind of glued over there. So from the lower side, as you can see, we successfully unclipped it, on the left side at least. And now we're going to unclip it here above, because unfortunately we know where it is. Okay, so one side it's out, again, stop it. So this side is going to be out. We are out. Can we help it from here? Okay. Woo! That was a very manly sound, by the way. Okay. Okay. So we are out. Okie dokie. And as I said, I thought it's going to be a small thingy, but what is it? It's a little bit of grease. So as you can see, this one it's broken. We have a winner. So that's why it's not working anymore, but it's kind of fixable if you have a friend that can 3D print something. In a word, at this moment you are good to go. March 2019, and it's 7N0858069D. So this is the model and the date. And the other one that we have, the same code, but it's 3 years older. So it's from the 4th of March 2016, and the other one is 21st of March 2019. So yeah. And by the way, this is more or less the exact same procedure for you to take out the head unit, the CD player, the, I don't know how do you want to call it, head unit. Yeah, so for this you have these 4 screws, then you can pull it out and just change the connectors or put a new one. And okay, so let us try and find the other screw. So actually there was a kind of a misunderstanding. So I thought that being that we have a screw on the right side here, that we will have one on the left side. But as you can see, this one has a plate, a metal plate for the screw to go in, On this side it doesn't. So we would actually say, okay, so somebody used it and took it out. Why? Because probably they broke this bracket. But this bracket is actually like this. You see how big it is? This one. So it's not something small. But on this side there is nothing. And it's not broken. It's just not there. So I don't know if it's cost reduction or what is it, or weight reduction. Anyhow, so it makes it easier. But again, if you have the screw, then you need to unscrew it. That's simple as that. And then don't try to lift this without unscrewing it, because you're going to break it. And it's going to break bad, because as you can see, this one is very big. So when you're going to pull it, you're going to goodbye. All right, so now, okay, so we didn't find any other screws here. Everything is taken apart, as you can see. And now we're going to put everything back. So we have this foam here. We're going to put it in place easily. Faster but easier. Gentle but harder. I would not like to break the foam. I don't want to break the foam. Please, foam, don't break. I know you're old, but don't break. Okay. Come on, foam. Why are you not going back? Okay, 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 okay. So we are there. Let me see from above. Okay, so everything will go on its place without any issues. You see? So everything is going back. Cool. So let's see on the front again. So now you just need to press it in place. Please, please go back. Okay. Oh my God. Brand new. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh wow, it's working. Oh. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. We've done it. We've actually done it. If you're asking me if I had doubts, the answer is yes, I did. Again, it's starting. I feel like this is not in, but no, it is. It is. Everything it's in. It's down. It's this one. It's clip, 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 clip. Okay, so let's press this in. Let's put back the first screw, and the only one. We'll set it to 8, I think, because I don't want to break it. So let's test it then. Press the button. Do we have a napkin? 1, 2, 3. Nope. I have a napkin. Thank you, darling. Only to the face and hands. Let's make it harder. See? Yeah. This one is working. This one. Hey. And it's closing. Hey. 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 Good one. So we have this one. Okay. So let's put it back in. Again, gently, but harder, and faster but slower, and slower but gentler, but faster, but done. Done. We are done. Let me put back the box. We have here the box. Okay. All right. So yeah, it seems that it's good. Thank you a lot for watching. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's completely free of charge and it helps the channel. And maybe a thumbs up, a comment. I like to discuss, and I like to know what I've done wrong, or if it did help you, or if it's not useful for you, if you want something different. Yeah, just let me know. Thank you a lot. See you next time.